pocket change, jewelry, and gold teeth. Now, yes, gentlemen, I said gold, not old. I don't want nothing floats in a jar.
Have you got a donation?
I do. Put it right here. I'll count it so I pass it. For the sheriff's donut coming. Now watch you folks put your hands in your pockets, come up with your valuables, we'll collect like the IRS. I'll take that, Jim. See? I knew that was for me. Hey, we're going to McDonald's!
Nobody gives away a good woman.
Where's your allowance, young lady? Bring that here. Come here. Come here. Stand right here.
Don't take her bat, though.
No, I don't take a bat. I got a ball at home.
That's all right.
Hey, we're going to McDonald's. What's your bat's name? What? Oh, okay. Is that your allowance?
That's all she gives me. That's all she gives me.
I like the way she thinks.
Yeah.
Give me that. She didn't. I like the way you think a lot. See you later.
Your money, yes, you take your money. That's okay.
Rain out there. There we go. You get it? Yeah. Thank you, folks. Thanks for playing along, everybody.